Hi, my name is Dean Gaylord and welcome to our upstate New York home. I'm a designer based in the charming city of Little Falls, New York. I've always had a love for old houses, having grown up in an 1810 ski lodge. That experience really shaped my appreciation for historic architecture, character-filled spaces, and the charm that only time can bring. So when I found this large center hall colonial just steps away from my office, I knew it could be something special. We've poured a lot of love into this project, and we're excited to make this our family's home base in the years to come. I really want my kids to have a truly special home that they can look back on fondly for the rest of their lives like I did. I describe my style as transitional, blending old and new. I love finding timeless pieces that'll last for years to come in our home. Our great room, which I'm sitting in today, was a large space to furnish. I wanted it to feel charming and welcoming, especially since it's visible right from our foyer. In this room, we used the Liz linen drapery and raised it to the ceiling to really emphasize our 9-foot ceilings and make the space feel even taller. I chose neutral tones for the drapery to help our home transition beautifully through every season we experience here in upstate New York. As for our dining room, one of the things that I love about this space is it's a perfect square, which I found it to be ideal for an oversized round table. There's nothing more special to us than sharing a meal around a table with family and friends. We continued the same Liz linen drapery here in a neutral tone to maintain consistency throughout the home. One of the things that drew us to this property was the large grand stairway. We dreamed of adding custom drapery to these oversized windows to bring in a touch of timeless elegance, and we were finally able to make this dream a reality with our Liz linen drapery. Our kitchen became one of our favorite rooms in our house once it was finished. As a center hall colonial with lots of warm whites, we wanted to have a space with a little more fun in our house. We went with a bold blue. While traveling in Newport, Rhode Island over the summer, we were walking the cliff walk and stopped by a local art gallery where we were instantly drawn to this one little piece. Shockingly, it was the first thing that we bought for our kitchen. When designing a room, I sometimes find it fun to start with something that you love and build from there. The cafe curtains through 2Pages really dressed up the space and made it feel so cozy in here. 2Pages was an absolute dream to work with. We measured everything ourselves, ordered everything from home, received it in just a few weeks, and installed it all in just a few hours. And I promise, if I can do it, you can do it too.